video, and I am the Rubik solver, and today I'm going to show you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube in 3 easy algorithms. So I have the first one right here. It's R-I-D-R-L-D-I-L-I-R-I-D and R. So I'm just going to scramble the cube. Alright, now we solve the white for first. Alright, so now we're going to do the first algorithm. So you're going to want to look for two like this. If it's like this, all the way around, then you're going to want to do this algorithm twice. But once you do it the first time, then you're going to get one, then you're going to turn it over so the white's on top, then like the two are like this. And you're going to do R-I-D-R-L-D-I-L-I-R-I-D and R. So you got the white still solved, and then you're going to have it all like this around, then you're going to flip it over. And if you have it like here, here, and here, you're going to go like this, have it right here so that the yellow's right here, and then do the second algorithm. Which is R-U twice, and R-I. So I'm gonna do that one. So then we got it like this. Then you're gonna turn it so that there's one right here, then right here, and then on top. Then you're gonna do the same algorithm. Then you'll have it so one's right here and then one's right here. Then do the same algorithm one more time. Then you're gonna have the yellow solved, but now you're gonna do the third algorithm, which is R-I-B twice, R-F-I, then R. Just keep on doing that algorithm a lot until you solve the cube. Remember to keep the ones at the bottom, and they're solved. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment, and peace.